In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to download a VOD from Kick. The download is 100% free, and it works using the Kicklet website. First, you need the link of the Kick VOD. You can easily copy it from here at the top, and then go to the website that's the first link in the description. So here we are on Kicklet. Now we paste our copied URL here. Here we can see the video details, such as the title. You can now choose a quality in which you want to save the video. The higher the quality, the longer the download will take. I'm setting mine to 1080p because I prefer the best quality. Below here, you can set which part of the video you want to save. I want to download the entire video for myself, so I'll leave it on the default settings. Now, I can press download, and the video will be downloaded. Once the download is complete, the file will be saved in your downloads folder, and you can edit it or upload it to YouTube, for example. If you have any questions or requests for Kicklet, just join the Kicklet Discord in the description and you'll get help. Leave a like if this was helpful. See you next time.